Hello, Ethan. Good afternoon. I want you to
After
know that our class today is recorded. Okay? I will record our class today. So today you will have your mathematics subject. Okay, I
Opo.
will share the screen. I will share my screen.
Ah,
So your lesson today is about subtracting with missing numbers. Okay? So subtracting with regrouping or the missing numbers. You will find the missing numbers. It is subtraction. So number one, you read the numbers before you answer, okay?
67 minus 7 equals 69.
Okay, very good. Next, number two, blank minus 5 equals.
Like that.
I'll
Blank.
just I'll just give you a tip, Ethan, for you to find the missing number.
30 minus 5.
Okay, 30 minus 5. Why did you get 30? How did you get the number 30 there? What did you
Because
do?
they were
Mm. Oh, you can easily find the missing number in there by adding 5 and 25, okay? By adding that two numbers. So 25 plus 5 equals 30. So the
mm,
answer there is
up,
30. And if you subtract 30 minus 5, then you will get 25. Okay?
up.
Next, let's have number 3. Uh,
Blank minus 9 equals 9. Like that.
how will you get the missing number there? How will you know the missing number there? Ethan, kapag ang nawawalang number is dito sa una,
Up.
ang gagawin mo po ay you need to add the remaining numbers dito sa second number and then yung equal number. Okay? Just like 9
Up.
plus 19 equals, you need to add that so that you will get the missing number. So 19 plus 9 equals 19 plus 9 equals 9 plus 9, Ethan.
Okay. 28.
Okay, so the answer is 9 plus 9 equals 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer is 28.
Up.
Now, 28 is now the missing number. So
Up.
even you subtract 28 minus 9, what will you get, Ethan? If you subtract 28 minus 9, what will you get?
19.
Okay, 19. So that's the easy way to do to find the missing number. Okay?
Up.
How about this one? Number 4. This time the missing number is on the second line or the minuend. We call it as minuend.
58 minus 9 equals
Oh,
49.
for you to Ethan, for you to find the missing number or to get the missing number on the second line, you need to subtract. Okay? You need to
Mm.
subtract 49. The total number, you need to subtract the 49 to the first number, 58. So 49 minus 58, 9 minus 8, Ethan. Oops, sorry. Wait. I'll just write 8. 58 minus 49. 8 minus 9. Can we subtract 8 minus 9, Ethan? Can we subtract that numbers? Pwede ba nating isubtract yung 8 and 9?
No.
No. Why? Because 8 is a small number
About
than
number.
9. So, dapat the upper number should be a big number. And then the lower number should be a small number. So, since 8 is a small number, what will we do next? Ethan, we need to what?
Hope na.
We need to borrow or regroup,
About
borrow 1 from 5. Okay, so 8 will become what number?
18.
Okay, very good, 18. And then what will happen to 5? It will become, since nabawasan siya ng isa, magiging ilan na siya, yung
1.
5? Magiging
4.
4. So 18 is already a big number. We can already subtract that to 9. So 18 minus 9 equals
18.
18 minus
Minus
9 equals
9.
9. And then 4 minus 4 equals 0. So the answer
0.
is 9. So now 9 is the missing number on number 4. Okay? So
Up.
um so the missing number now in number 4 is 9. Okay? So if we
Up.
subtract 58 minus 9, then we will get 49.
Up.
Okay? We will get now the total number of 49. So did you understand? Kapag
Up.
yung pangalawa, yung missing, you need to subtract the remaining numbers from each other. Okay? Pero kapag yung first number ang missing, the remaining number, you need to add it. You need to do
Up.
addition. Nagets po,
Up.
Ethan? Okay. Next, let's proceed to number 5. Uh, and since the first number is the missing number, ano pong gagawin mo doon sa remaining numbers, Ethan? What will you do to the remaining numbers?
94.
89, what did you do? You did?
94.
What did you do? You did addition, okay? So 89 plus 5 equals 94. So the missing number is 94. And
90.
when we subtract 94 minus 5, we will get what number?
89.
Okay, very good. So you really you already understand it. Next, let's have number 6. Look at
67 minus blank equals 58.
so you see that the missing number is the second number. Okay? 67 minus
9.
blank equals 58. So
Addition.
you will do what? Is it addition or subtraction?
Addition, 9.
You did addition or
Uh,
subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So let's see if you get a correct answer. Okay? So I will rewrite the numbers. 67 minus 58. So 7 minus 8, we cannot subtract that. So we need to borrow 1. Okay? So yung 7 magiging
17.
okay, 17. And then 6 magiging what number? Magiging, because nabawasan siya ng isa, magiging 5.
5.
So we can already subtract 17 minus 8. You will get what?
8.
Is it 8?
9.
9. And 5 minus 5 equals? 5.
5.
5 minus
5.
5
0.
equals 0. So the answer is 9. Okay, very good. So 67 minus 9, then you will get the 58. Very good, Ethan. Next, let's proceed to number 7. Okay, what will you do on number 7?
Minus 8 equals 7.
Mm. 8 equals blank minus 8 equals 7. What is the missing number there? Uh, what will you do if the missing number is the first number? You need to what? You need to add. Okay, Ethan? Kapag ang nawawalang number ay sa first line or yung first number, the minuend, you need to add the remaining numbers. So what is the answer? Uh, what is your answer, uh, Ethan?
15.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 15 because 8 plus 7 equals 15. And when we subtract 15 minus 8, then we will get 7. Okay, very good. Very good, Ethan. Next, let's proceed to number 8.
Day 85 minus 8 equals
85 minus 8 equals? What is your answer? I will write.
77.
Okay, very good. 77. Next, let's have number 9. Look at the numbers. The missing number is the second number.
9.
94
94 minus
minus
blank
blank.
equals 86.
Okay, so what are you going to do to find the missing number or to get the missing number?
Mm.
You need to what? You need to subtract. Okay? So I'll write
Mm.
the numbers.
Like
94 minus 86. Okay. Can we subtract 4 minus 6? Ethan, can we subtract that two numbers, 4 minus 6? Is it yes or no?
if
4 minus 6. Look at the upper number. 4. And then the lower number is 6. Can we subtract it, Ethan?
mm,
No, we cannot subtract it because 4 is a small number than 6. So we need to, what will we do next? To make it bigger number. Uh, we need to
8.
borrow. What is your answer?
8.
8 is your answer. Let's see if your answer is correct. So 4, we cannot subtract it to 6. So we need to borrow 1. Okay? We need to borrow 1 from number. You listen, Ethan. You need to borrow 1 from 9. Okay? You listen to teacher Ethan. So 9 will become,
Up.
Ethan, will become 8. Okay? So
Up.
since 14 is already a big number, we can now subtract it. Okay? To 6. So 14 minus 6 equals, okay, 14 minus 6 equals 8. Okay? And
8.
then 8 minus 8 is 0. So, yeah, your answer is correct. Okay? So, the missing number on number 9 is 8. And if we subtract 94 minus 8, then we will get 86. Okay, good job, Ethan.
Up.
Next, let's proceed to number 10. Okay, you read the numbers, Ethan.
37 minus 9 equals blank.
37 minus 9. I'll rewrite it since it needs regrouping. 37 minus 9. Okay. So after writing the numbers,
28.
what will you do next? Your answer
28.
is 28. Okay. So let's see if your answer is correct. Okay. So again, I'll ask you a question, Ethan. 7 minus 9, can we subtract it? Can we subtract
No.
these two numbers? No. So what will we do next? So that we can subtract these numbers. You need to you need to
Addition. Ay,
you need
borrow.
to okay, very good. So you need to borrow one from what number? 3.
17.
Okay, so 7 will become 17 and 3 will become okay. And 3 will become what number? Will become since nabawasan siya ng isa, magiging
2.
okay, very good. So magiging 2 na siya. Okay? And now we can already subtract this number since the upper number is now a big number. Okay? So
Up.
17 minus 9
28.
equals 8. Oh, so your answer
Mm.
is 8. 28 17 minus 9 is 8. And then what will we do to number 2?
Number
We
2.
will we will
Bring number 2.
okay, we will bring number 2 down, okay? Or we will bring it down. Since there is no number that we can subtract to 2. Okay, so the answer is 28. Okay, very good, Ethan. So 37 minus 9 equals 28. Next, let's proceed to uh, number 11. Uh, can you please read it, Ethan? Number 11.
4 minus 4 minus blank equals 3.
Okay. So what is your answer?
1.
4. Yes. Okay, very good. Next.
12. 17 minus blank equals
61.
9.
Okay. 70 minus, what is your answer? Minus blank equals 61. Your answer is 9. Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, we will do again the method. 70 minus 61. Can we subtract 0 minus 1?
No.
No. So what will we do? We will
Addition.
we
Subtract.
will we will
Borrow pala.
borrow. Okay, we will borrow 1 from number 7. So 0 will become what number? Will become 0 will become anong mangyayari sa 0? Magiging 10. Okay? Kasi nag-borrow siya ng 1 from 7. And then, yung 7 magiging?
6.
Okay, very good. So, we can already subtract the numbers. So, 10 minus 1 equals? 10
9.
minus 1? Okay,
Okay.
9.
Okay.
And then, 6 minus 6?
Equals 0.
Okay, so the answer is 9. So, the missing number
9.
there on number 14 is, oops, wait. Number 12 is 9. Very good. Next, let's proceed to number 13. Okay, number 13. This time, the missing number is the first number. Blank minus 19 equals 69. So
Okay.
what will you do to get the or to find the missing number on number 13? You need to
80.
what did you do to get the 80, Ethan? You did? Is it addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. So your answer is 80. Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay? So I'll rewrite again the numbers. 69 plus 19. Okay, so 9 plus 9, Ethan?
Uh,
9 plus
19.
9,
Borrow natin.
is it, we are
Hindi.
doing
Wait lang.
addition. 9 plus 9
Addition.
equals?
1 last wait lang.
Here,
80.
18. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And
Okay.
then 8, we will write 8 there. And then 1, we will carry it. Okay? Carry 1.
Okay.
So 6 plus 1 equals? 6 plus 1, Ethan, equals?
6 plus 1.
Equals?
7.
And then we add 1 equals? The number that we carry equals? 7 plus 1 equals?
9.
Is it 9?
Yeah.
7 plus 1
Wait lang.
equals? 7, you add 1 equals? The answer is 8.
7.
Okay?
8. Okay.
So the missing number now is 88. Why did we get 88? Because the remaining numbers we add it. And then
Add.
when we subtract now 88 minus 19, I'll just rewrite it again. The numbers. Okay. If we subtract 88 minus 19, 88 minus 19, 8 minus 9, we cannot subtract that. So we need to borrow 1. So 8 will become 18, and then 8 will become 7. So 18 minus 9, we will get 9, and 7 minus 1, we will get 69. Okay, so our answer is correct. Okay, so the missing number there
Okay.
is 88.
8.
Okay. Next, let's proceed to number 14. Number 14.
1. Minus blank minus 7 equals 19.
Okay. What is your answer?
26.
19. Blank minus 7 equals 19. So your answer
Okay.
is 26. Okay, very good. So the missing number is 26. How did you
Okay.
get 26, Ethan? Can you please explain to teacher? How did you get 26? What did you do?
The numbers, wait lang.
The
Like, the
what did you do to get the 26? To find the to get the missing number. What did you do? Ano yung ginawa mo po para makuha mo yung 26?
the numbers na ano, like, same siguro. Hindi, wait.
Hmm? Ang ginawa mo ay since yung first number ang nawawala, and then the remaining numbers you did addition. Okay? That's why you get
Addition.
26. Because 19 plus 7 equals 26.
Ah,
Okay? Did you understand, Ethan? So kapag yung
opo.
first number ang nawawala, you will do addition. You will add the remaining numbers. Okay?
Opo.
If the second number, just like on number 12, the second number is the missing number. The remaining numbers, you will do subtraction. You need to subtract
Opo.
the remaining numbers. Okay? So, it's already time, Ethan. That's it for today.
Opo.
Thank you very much. And thank you for
Opo.
your participation and active listening. So, bye, Ethan. Happy
Okay, teacher, bye
weekend and
po.
see you again on Monday. Okay.
Opo. Okay po. Goodbye po.
Bye.
Paalam.